Everyone, I am going to explain you the last member of Protista, that is protozoa. Okay, so in protozoa you must learn that the Protista kingdom has protozoa, last member, divides on the basis of locomotory organ. So they have four members: amoeboid, ciliated, flagellated and sporozoans, on the basis of their locomotory organs. This classification is done on the basis of their locomotory organs. So first of all, you see the amoeboid. When we talk about amoeboid, we see that amoeboid are the members having pseudopodia for locomotion. This one you see the most common member, amoeba proteus. So they are fresh water as well as marine and also found in moist soil. Entamoeba histolytica may found on the, but when they are found in marine form, they have a silica cell on the surface. So surface is impregnated by silica cell, like diatomaceous earth you have studied. So amoeba proteus is the most common one. They excrete through their plasma lemma ammonia. So ammoniotelic, these are their contractile vacuole, nucleus or food vacuoles, food cup. When food is engulfed by pseudopodia, this one pseudopodia, and lysosome encountered with this food cup form food vacuole where digestion. The hydrolytic enzyme present in lysosome start digestion and intracellular digestion occurring in the amoeba. It divides by binary fission and intracellular digestion taking place. It also responds to the environment, so called taxis. And a taxis movement towards the favorable condition, it move, and unfavorable it move up. Another is ciliated, cilia, having cilia as a locomotory organ. Here the 1000 cilia present on the body. The member is paramecium, common member is paramecium. Thousands of cilia, they are called sleeper animalcule. In two kingdom system of classification, it was placed with animal kingdom. So sleeper like, when you wear on your foot, wear the slippers. So they appear like a slipper. Just see the diagram, slipper like, having several cilia on the body. And adjacent to cilia, below the cilia, there is a pellicle covers the body. Intracellular digestion, it's also so through gullets. The food is taken inside cilia, directed the food to come in this oral gullet, and the food cup, again food vacuole is formed near this gullet and digestion begins. So intracellular digestion taking place. Having the most important point here, you must know that they have two nucleus, one macronucleus, another micronucleus. Contractile vacuoles help in osmoregulation, since aquatic animals, aquatic organisms, so they excess water enter in the body, that is removed, or as well as the waste is also get rid of. So this is paramecium. This part is anterior portion and this one is posterior portion. So in this way you can draw the diagram of ciliated, cilia locomotory organ. Then flagellated. Flagella serves as a locomotory organ. Here you can see the diagram of trypanosoma having flagella. This one is a flagella, nucleus and cytoplasm. It is free living or parasite, like trypanosoma is a parasite, having one thing you know in paramecium, that it divides transversely. Whenever division, binary fission taking place, transversely, at the perpendicular to the axis, it's divided. So in this way, two paramecium divides. This one, trypanosoma, divides longitudinally. It has a longitudinal binary fission taking place in trypanosoma, causing sleeping sickness. You can see the trypanosoma showing the sleeping sickness. Just here, try to understand the trypanosoma having one flagellum and nucleus, cytoplasm. It's divided longitudinally. In this way, it divides into two. Trypanosoma, discovered by Freud, 1901, causes sleeping sickness in African, and when it enters, this parasite enters in the body, it infects the cerebrospinal fluid, and that's the reason it gives the sleeping type of or coma type of stage generally comes in the body. The fourth one is Sporozoans, having no locomotory organ. Plasmodium, you might have seen the diagram of Plasmodium, familiar with the diagram of Plasmodium, form the encystment in unfavorable condition, and nucleus divide to form many nuclei, multiple fusion. By multiple fusion, it reproduces. When favorable condition come, the wall ruptured and the plasmodia set free. So in this way, it reproduces by multiple fusion. Laverson, 1800, discovered Plasmodium causes malaria, but Ronald Ross, very important, Ronald Ross in 1896, he discovered that the oocytes in female anopheles. So these are two different questions you must know. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium discovered by Lavender in 1880, but Ronald Ross confirmed that oocytes present in the female anopheles. So in this way, we have seen the four different classes in case of protista and protozoa. Okay, thank you.